ちょっとらっしゃるの。
Dawaj.
So here it is, post heat treat. The pour was not continuous, which I was disappointed in, but I think we went fast enough that it didn't temper the rest of the face. The color was not so good back here, and so it wasn't really, I don't think it was hardened very well up here, but the color was right over here. This is just a test right after the pour. I didn't clean the scale off. I should have cleaned it when we took it out of the forge, but I guess I waited too long for that. So I'm just going to show you guys the rebound. It's going to be much better once the scale's cleaned up, I think, but this is just for right now. So you can go back to the last video. At the end of it, you can see the rebound. I think it's much better now, and it did harden. You can also see that I rounded up the horn. I didn't do that in the last video. I didn't show you guys that, but yeah, there it is. So I think the hardening was a success. It's going to be kind of soft up here, but I think it's okay. You can see file test. It is softer up here, but not by that much. So I think that's okay. I'll do one more video once it's cleaned up and I'll show you guys, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching.